Hello. I have a small haul from Deseret, and I have a DIY Pottery Barn dupe. I'm going to show you. Let's see, I got 3 of these. I think these are from the dollar spot at Target. It doesn't say Target, I don't think. But I got 3 of these. I thought these would be kind of handy at Christmas time as uprights. I can't read what that says underneath there, but that was amazing. They had 3 of these. These were in a weird spot too. I can't remember where they were, but they were in an oddball spot, which is not unusual for that place. Maybe they were in the toys. Anyway, that's kind of cool. Got this. And then I found this. It was $2. Beer money. Oh yeah. And it's Pottery Barn. Originally $12.50, but it's kind of cute. You know, it's got gold and white, so pretty. And I got a Betsy Johnson makeup bag for $2. It's a nice one. It's got a little cute pole here, a little heart. It's got her deal here. Oh, I love her stuff. I think I found this on the floor. Place. Wow. And let's see. Oh, this, I needed some, it's really hard to find black baby weight fingering yarn, find sport weight. So, and this is wool. So I forget what I was going to use this for, but I needed it. I think it was for doll sweaters. Yeah, 75 cents. Yay. So that's pretty cool. And, oh, I found one of these that doesn't have the metal thing on it. It's just plain, which I really like the spiral curler, but I think this might be easier to use with just the plain. And it's the good kind that has it goes up to 400, and I think it's a Conair. Yeah, and I tested it in there and it works. So $2 on that. That's pretty good. And let's see, oh, I got this thing. This is really weird. Somebody put this paper all over this old vintage aluminum thing. I need this to put my flour in. The one I have is no good. The top keeps coming loose. So I'll try to get this ishy paper off. It's like, I don't know, it's dictionary paper. Somebody had a big idea, but there's fingerprints on there. So it didn't really work out. And the last thing I got is super cute. This was all, twisty tied in there, but
secured in.
Mr. Retros had to get him out so we could check the batteries. But check, see, there's his by Jemmy, of course. This is so cute. Check it out.
We could sing Christmas carols, but first, no!
He did.
Dude, he does all kinds.
Christmas is my favorite time of the holiday season.
So cute. Look at that. Let's see.
Uh-oh, I think Rudolph left his own little present in here.
Oh, there he sings.
Deck the hall with buddy holly, fa la 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 la. It's the season jumping down, fa la 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 la. Down your heavy winter jacket, fa la 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 la. Sing like crazy, make a racket, fa la 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 la.
Big finish there. Always good. I thought that was really, really cute, and he works. What a neat size he is. So, let's see, $3. And he works. Yay! So that's my, I don't know if you can see that. And this is my dupe. Darn it. Here it is. These computers. There we go. This is my, this is from the Pottery Barn website. These are no longer available. They're made out of heavy cast metal, but they're really cute. They've got this like larger ice bucket or chip thing with 2 of these skeletons. Then this guy's carrying 2. This one, you can't get them except on eBay. This one's $70, and this one's like $240 for the larger one, which, this is not feasible. It's crazy. So I took these little guys from the Dollar Tree. I got these. I think you get a pack of 4. of these critters. And Mr. Retros put them on here for me. This is a piece of an old fence, which I like. This wood is really neat. And then let me see if I can get this out of here so I can show you. And there we go. This is just, you put any old kind of thing on there. He took sticks, little dowels, and put them in here. Then we spray painted these, obviously. And then he just has them go up through their pelvis area. And then he drilled a little hole right here. And this is a piece of a coat hanger, isn't it?
Yeah.
And then I just put this guy.
You might want to paint that black. But
Maybe, but I don't know. It's not that critical. I was thinking of doing a little gold highlighting on them, but I kind of like them just black. So
It's kind of hard to get them through there.
Yeah, I think I can do it.
Well, you don't want them too loose. So.
Yeah. So it came out pretty good. I can't see to put him in there. Okay. And they have bigger skeletons at the dollar store too. But you could do this any old way you want it. And he's got he kind of cut their hands. So
One of them.
Yeah. So you can kind of bend them a little bit. And their feet kind of go, you know. So that's my dupe. Oops, he's pushing there.
Sort of.
Sort of, kind of, loosely based simulation. So, and it only cost me $1 and whatever this was. I think that's what I got for today. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.